Hello students, so we are coming to the final video lesson on rational numbers. So this is my 13th video on rational numbers and we are coming to exercise 2F. This is my second video and final video for full this series of rational numbers. Maybe later on, if needed, some update or something, I may put other video lessons. So for now, let us see. Here we have problem sums on multiplication and division of rational numbers. So we have seen addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the problem sum. So here I start last part 12. I had finished with question 5. Now I am starting with question 6. So by what rational number should 25 by 8 be multiplied? So this, as I told you earlier, you can do in two methods. So one of the method I am doing, let the number, that means rational number, be x. So whenever we talk about number in this chapter, it is a rational number which is a fraction basically. So this should be multiplied. So as per question, we get 25 and 8 should be multiplied to get minus 20 by 7. You can take an comparison analogy where we see, suppose with what 4 should be multiplied to give you 20. With what number 4 should be multiplied to get 20. So let it be x. So x is 20 divided by 4. This side it will go. You can write like 20 divided by 4. So we get 5. So finally what we will do here, there are two ways. X is minus 20 by 7 divided by 25 by 8. So that side becomes division, or crisscross method also I will show you. So you can pause the video and copy. Then I will solve this. So minus 20 by 7, when division becomes multiplication, children, numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. So whatever we can cancel, we cancel. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20. So minus 32 by 35. So this is the rational number which we get. So here I am showing you, this was just to give you a comparison. So let this be method 1. Method 2, what you can do, children, here, after this step, let x be here, minus 20 by 7 be here. Now 8 will go up. Don't see this. This side denominator will go up and this 25 will come down. Okay. So directly you could have done division. You could have done, so first method can be like this. Okay, direct division, this divided by this without x. Second method is this. And third, where we take x, but rather than doing like division like this, 8 goes up and 25 comes down. So same way we cancel, children. We get minus 32 by 35. So here we have finished the first sum, number 6. Then we move on to question number 7. So kindly pause the video and write. So this part I am rubbing so that I will have enough space to do this sum. So next sum I go to number 7. So here if you see, cost of 17 pencil is rupees, I think. Rupees is missing, 59.5. Find the cost of each pencil. So it will be less. So directly you can do method 1. Directly you divide. Total cost, so cost of each pencil. So write cost of one pencil is equal to 59 and a half divided by 17. Less, so we do division. We'll have another chapter later on, unitary method. So less means divide, more means multiply. So this if you do, this 2's is 118, 119 by 2 into, and when division becomes multiplication, children, I've already taught you denominator, let us take to be 1 because nothing is there. Goes up and numerator comes down. So 17 stable if you see, 17 5's are, so once again I am reiterating that you please learn table up to 20, then only you will be able to do these questions properly. So 17 I think 7's are, 17 5's are 85, 6's are is 102, 7's are is 119. So each pencil is rupees 7.5. So this is rupees 3 by 2 if you convert it to mixed fractions. So please pause the video, take screenshot, copy. Then very similar, we move on to question number 8. So 6, 7 I have done, number 8. Any book you are using, you have very similar thing. So the cost of 20 meter of ribbon is 335. Find the cost of each meter. So cost of each meter is same way 335 divided by 20. It will be less. So 20 meters. So simple example you can take. Cost of 4 chocolate, okay, is rupees 20. Okay, 4 chocolate. Okay, so what is cost of 1? 1 is 20 divided by 4, rupees 5. So something like that. 20 rupees is cost of 4 chocolate. What is cost of 1? It will be less. Less means division. Okay, we don't do subtraction, addition here. Less means division, more means multiplication. So when division becomes multiplication, 20 by 1 becomes 1 by 20. So you can take 1 in the denominator when nothing is there. So we can divide by 5, you see. 5 4's are, and if you do with 5, it will be 6's are, 37's are. So 67 by 4. This is cost of each meter of cloth. So when you do division, 67, it will go 1 time 4, 2 7, 4 6 are 24. So answer will be rupees 16 3 by 4. You can check back. 16 4s are 64 plus 3, 67 by 4. So these 3 questions I have done this for you. So please pause the video and copy. Then we will move to next 2-3 questions. So next we move on to question number 9. So if you see, we have a rope 66 meter long. How many pieces of 2 to 3 by 4 meter we can cut? So here again we will divide. So number of pieces will be equal to 66 divided by 2, 3 by 4. So before I make it into multiplication, first I will convert it to improper fraction. 4 2's are 8 and 3, 11 by 4. 66, then you do into, you can have 1 over here if you wish, nothing is there. Division, when it becomes multiplication, denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator. 11 6 are 66. So you have 24 pieces of rope can be cut, small pieces, from a big rope of length 66 meter and size of each piece being 2 3 by 4 is 2.75 meter. Okay, next we go to question number 10 dash divided by minus 8 gives you this. So let us take this to be x. Okay, so I'm writing with blue marker. So let it be x. So once you have division, when it becomes multiplication, so minus you can keep up or down, not an issue. So this is x, let it be x divided by minus 8 gives you minus 3 by 4. So let us solve. X, let it be here, minus 8 goes that side up, it will go into minus 3 by 4, you know minus minus, product of 2, negative number is positive, 4 2s are 8. So negative negative positive, you will get 6 plus 6 or 6. So this is how we do division. We make it into multiplication. When it becomes multiplication, here there is 1. If nothing is there, I told you, you can take denominator to be 1. 1 goes up, minus 8 goes down. Then x be on one side, you put it on the other side, minus 8 goes up, from denominator it goes to numerator, and this side numerator goes to denominator, but 1 I am not taking because anything into 1 and divided by 1 does not make a difference. Then I solve. 4 2 is 8, minus minus plus 6. And the last sum of this full rational number video, that is part 13. So we are coming to the end of rational numbers. So let this be y, children. So minus 16 divided by y gives you 6. So division, when it becomes multiplication, I told you, children, let denominator there be 1. So y becomes 1 by y, this is 6. Y you take to the other side, children, because I want generally the unknown, the variable, to be on the one side alone. So rather than keeping it here, I take other, 6 comes this side. So we get y is equal to, so like a beam balance, here potato, here weight, here potato. So it's same thing. So you can cancel 3s are 8s are, so minus 8 by 3. Okay, 2 3s are 2 8s are. So this is minus 2 by 3, but I think you can take, because we are doing rational number, so I think if you check the book, it will be minus 8 by 3, because we are not doing fraction. Okay, so you let it be in the form of a rational number, because we are doing a rational number. So kindly pause the video and copy, and next chapter which we will take will be, I think, fractions. So kindly pause the video and copy.